Some trips don't need a plan, they just need the right people. It had been a while since all of us were in the same place at the same time. Somewhere along the way, we stopped for vada pav and chai because some traditions never really change. No itinerary, no rush, just the road and the rain. And then we found this place, hidden somewhere near Pune. Nothing fancy, just a simple cottage and familiar chaos. Some meals are special not because of the food, but because of the view and the company. Same people, same nonsense, just a different location. Preparations had already begun for the barbecue night. The river had its own rhythm here, slow, steady, alive. As the night settled in, so did the stories. Nothing had changed, and somehow everything had. Mornings felt different here, slower, quieter, like the world had no rush, and neither did we. For once, we weren't thinking about work or what comes next. Just this moment. The rain started again, and somehow it made everything feel complete. Breakfast was simple, but mornings like this rarely are. No plans, no distractions, just a little more time together. And then it was time to leave. Before heading back, we stopped just one last time. Not for the place, but for the moment. The road back felt shorter, like it always does. Maybe it was never about the place. It never really is. It's about the people, the moments. You wish you could stay in just a little longer. Until next time. व्लॉग देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे साथ बने रहे। मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में।